Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by, and welcome to my video review and installation guide of the CYMA Railed dust cover. I got this product from evic.com for about $20. The item's description, as provided by evic, is an aluminum alloy construction, standardized 20mm accessory rail, a matte finish, and an integrated iron sight. The idea of this product is to replace your AK's stock dust cover and give you a platform to mount optics. This will replace the need for an AK rail adapter and allow the folding of the stock, as well as utilizing an optic. The dust cover is actually made out of steel, despite evic's product description. The rail, the rear sight, and the attachment point are made out of some other metal, probably aluminum. When installed, the rail is very sturdy and doesn't move much at all, even with optics installed. Aesthetics wise, the finish on the cover is nice and is the same as the finish on CYMA's steel AK bodies. AK fans will rejoice that there's finally an option and no need to compromise between folding your stock for close quarters use or acquiring targets faster with the use of an optic. Please note that this will not work with AKS-74Us as their dust covers are shorter. When receiving this item, you'll receive the dust cover and a screw for installation. In order to install, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. The gun we're using to demonstrate this today is a CYMA 040, which is based on the VFC design for an AK. Removing your rear sight is as easy as follows. You're going to take one of your hands with your screwdriver you're using, you're going to push down on the rear sight, right where it pivots right there. With your other hand, while you're pushing down, pull backwards. Another method of removing your rear sight is grabbing it like so, flipping it up. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to be pushing down, backwards, and you're going to be rotating it back. So you're going to push down, back towards the stock, and rotate, like so. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to put the rail on real quick. So you're going to make sure that you have the rear sight removed and the dust cover removed from the AK you're going to be putting it on. Next you're going to want to take those two holes right there, and you're going to line them up with the holes where your rear sight used to be. So once you have that, you're going to take the screw. Insert it from the left side because the threads are on the right. So once you've got that in there, take your flathead screwdriver. So once you have it tightened down, this is still going to be pretty loose right here. There's not going to be much friction, which is normal installation for this. So once you have it on, you can back it down just like that, and you're good to go. After taking a look at this product, I can say that it's one of the best external modifications for an AK you can get nowadays. It's a good replacement for the scope mount, which is anywhere from $5 to $10 less expensive. I would definitely have to recommend this product for being inexpensive, sturdy, and functional. I'll leave the link to evic.com in the description where I found this product. Thanks for watching.